Racing just is started. We have Cats Regal break quickly to start. And on the outside, give it all. Then comes Tito Jean running by Del Guantanamera. Katniss Top Secret. Tagapagmana. Homonhon Island. Wow Deck. Then next online is the Human Torch. While Nicole Angel is the early trailer by about 14 lengths. Up the leader, racing down the backstretch. Now we have Guantanamera. Now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Give it all in second. Katniss is racing in third. Moving up on the outside. Homonhon Island. Cats Regal rushing up is Top Secret. Then here comes Duck like twice now. Trying to get closer. Tagapagmana. The Human Torch, Tito Jean, and a long way back to Nicole Angel, who's racing in less than the fourth turn. Duck now says it's my turn to take the lead. Duck, Berlink and a half. And on the outside, Homonhon Island. Then down on the inside is Guantanamera as they swing for home. Duck, moving up on the outside is Homonhon Island. Guantanamera comes next. Tagapagmana last 75 meters. Duck over Homonhon Island. Then comes Tagapagmana, the Human Torch, Guantanamera, and Top Secret.
Okay, bayang karerista, para po dito sa inyong unang karera, race number 1. Ang ating pong unofficial winner, entry number 10, that is Wowo Duck, masisigunduhan ng numero 6. Homonhon Island, numero 8, Tagapagmana, 11 horse, the Human Torch, numero 1.